Hi everyone, Nancy with That Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. And so today I am in a collab with MTN Grandma Tammy, Gail Southern Living Gail, and Life in the Piedmont Tina with Cupid's Creations. So I will link everybody that's in the collab down below and their channels in the description and everything. So there's a lot of good ideas and everything going around. So today I am going to show y'all how we do our chocolate. First, Charlie Brown wants to wish everybody a happy Valentine's. Peanuts in the game. And there he is. I love this cup. Alrighty. So, molds. We have so many molds. And, but I'm going to show y'all a few. We have these to make, young peanut butter filled chocolates. We have hearts. We have spoons. And then, oh my goodness, this is only half, I would say, no more than half. But we have, like, digi things that, in video games, the hearts. We have these on mustaches. We have robots. Some more spoons. These are bears. We have some snails and butterflies and some other kind of bug. This is ice cream. Yes, you can tell these have been used. This is video games, the controllers and all. It says level up. Small robots. And then these are keys. Like having the key to my heart. So, we are going to use the hearts. I'm going to do the hearts, and you can fill them with cream. We got peanut butter we do, and a whole bunch of other things. So today I am just doing the chocolate. We're going to do some hearts and maybe some other things. And fill these up for Valentine's Day. So this I'm not sponsored, but Ghirardelli makes dairy-free chocolate. Yes, and that's so much fun. So I'm gonna open these, and usually I melt it in a little like mini crock pot. But today I am not. I am just going to melt these in the microwave. Alright, so we'll put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. Alright, and while that's going, I'm going to get some peanut butter. And as much peanut butter as you want. Make sure. Alright. So I ended up getting the non-sugar peanut butter. So I am just going to eyeball this because, like I said, I'm not doing a lot today. So usually it's a cup of peanut butter to like half a cup of confectionery sugar. Well, it's supposed to be a cup and a cup, but sometimes that makes it too sweet. So this looks like, well, that looks like about a fourth of a cup to a half a cup. So we are going to check on the chocolate and see if it's melted. Not quite yet. So we'll do another 30 seconds. And I do it 30 seconds because you don't want your chocolate burned. So the confection, I'm trying this new Swerve confectionate sugar. 0 calories, it's plant-based, keto friendly, and you know, sugar keto friendly. I don't know. And I probably just put enough as I think it should be, and we're going to try that. And you just stir it together. Now, if we did like a cream filling, you could add, you know, all kinds of good flavor with that. So I'm going to add a little bit more to this. So I would say probably roughly 2 tablespoons of sugar, maybe more. But like I said, the confectionate sugar, that is up to you how much you put in it. And of course, you know, our recipes are all in storage. I've got the giggles because it's funny. Because every time my daughter-in-law goes, hey, do we have the recipe? And then she stops in mid-sentence and she goes, oh, it's in storage. I'm like, yes. Alright, there we go. We'll leave that like that. We're going to check on the chocolate and stir it. Oh, yeah. Now, sometimes with your chocolate, if you want it like a little bit thinner, you can add olive oil or coconut oil. We've done that. Just a dash. Alrighty. So you can get them all nice and melted. Alright, so with your hearts, we'll start with those. What you do, you just line it up with your chocolate. Like so. And then you just go around to all of them. And you do the same thing. Because you want to get all those sides as much as possible. Look, that's not even in the heart. Alrighty. So I'm going to get the rest of these done. And what you do is after you get them done, you pop it in the freezer for a few minutes. You pop it in the freezer until, you know, it's cold and they're hard enough so you can put your filling in, which I'll bring you back when they're all frozen. Put the filling in, you put that back in the freezer, and then you top it off. So I'll see you back in a few minutes. Okay, so we're going to take these out of the freezer. And see if they are hard. Oops, I see one that I missed something. Alright, so now we're going to put our filling in. All right. And then once you put them in, all you do is tap it on the counter to make it go in more. I was looking for the other little spoon. It has the blue on it, but I couldn't find it because that works so much better. All right, so then all you do is tap it down. Then you know how much more you need to put in there. And this is fun to do with the kids. We've done it many times with Anastsia. And, you know, she likes to lick all the spoons like we all did as kids. We still do as adults. Licking the spoon is fun. Alrighty, and we're going to fill these up. We can get this in the freezer. And scoop some of this off at the top here. Because you want to leave some room for the chocolate to, you know, be on the top of it too. Alrighty. So I'm gonna finish doing this and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so this has been in the freezer for a little bit. They're not completely hard, but I've had to we gotta reheat this chocolate again because that's getting hard too. But I also wanted to show y'all that if you want to do something that's bigger, we also have these. They made cocoa bombs or hot chocolate bombs, whatever you want to call them with those. We've done muffins with the hearts, and then we also have these also. So, you know, if you want to do something bigger, and I might, just depends on how much chocolate I have left and everything, I might do some of these, because I think that'd be pretty cool, because these have some designs on them and all. So let's put the chocolate on the top. All right, let me put this in for like 10 seconds. So that it'll be easier to put on top of it. And since there's not much chocolate in here, there we go. Alright, so I'm going to set these over here so y'all can see what you do. Just like before, this time you just drizzle on the top. Alright. And you just fill it in. And like with the peanut butter, when you put it on the top, you just tap it on the counter so it's spread out. And that way you know if you need more. And you just cover it up. Like that. Yes, we did have, I was thinking, one of those pour things. I don't know what happened to it. Now, when I used to do cake decorating, whoops, did I say that out loud? Ha ha ha. Yes, I used to do cake decorating. You could put it in a piping bag, and then we'll do the same thing. But that can be hot, and you still gotta let it cool unless you wear gloves. And this to me is just easier. So I am going to cover all these up. We'll stick these in the freezer for a few minutes, and I'll show y'all the finished product. See you in a little bit. Alright, so they are frozen, and you just take in your mold and you just pull it out, because you can hear it, you know, release from the sides, and that makes it easier for them to pop out. So, oh no, that one didn't freeze all well. Here we go. You know, there's one in every bunch. That's for the chef to try, or the baker to try, or the person making it to try. All right, let's scoot those over. I tell you this, you will get messy. Oh, and this, no, there we go. Well, this one did the same thing. All right, so there's two. So here you go. Here are your heart chocolates. And of course, you can decorate your plate, put some red there. Some have more peanut butter than others. And here's the one that kind of like missed a spot on several of them. There we go. You can trim that chocolate off. And behind the scenes, I made some keys. So let's see if these come out. Nope, that one broke. So there we go. It released better. So let's see if we can get a solid key. Oh, yes. Yes, we did. We got a solid key. So here's, you know, you put it on as the key to my heart. How about that? So I did go ahead and make some of the big ones, and I'll put a photo at the end with all that and everything. So there we go, Cupid Creations. So thank y'all so much for coming by and watching and having fun with me with chocolate and peanut butter, making hearts, peanut butter hearts, chocolate hearts, and keys for Valentine's. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.